Hi guys, I'm EC and welcome to my channel. I decided to make a video about this product from company Corsair because I found some small problems, and once you see this video probably or you decide to buy this product or you're already in the same shoes like me, you have some uncomfortable situation like I had in the last month. But let's take step by step and to talk what I have here and what the characteristic specification has this mouse. This mouse is created by company Corsair. It's a Scimitar RGB Elite mouse. This is MMO mouse design. For if you are a gamer, you know what is MMO mean. It's designed for games which require a lot of spells, a lot of buttons, fast to click, fast reaction. But more than that, you can use this product in some shooting games like Counter-Strike, Battlefield, some games which require you to have less dot per inch, like for example for sniper, you can easily use with this mouse. I bought this product a little while ago and I use in my projects in Photoshop because I need some shortcuts and easy to manage if I'm doing something, or when I study. You can use in a game, in an office, if you need more buttons on mouse. Definitely, it's not like design just limited to the games. Personally, I have a lot of positive experience with Corsair. I have a keyboard, mouse, a case for my computer, cooling system for my computer desktop. And I didn't find yet until this moment some problems. But it's not like problems, but it's something like small negative effects when I try to use my mouse. I found these problems and I want to ask you if you have the same mouse and you had the same problem like me. Maybe it's just my mouse is broke and has some bugs, I don't know. But let's take step by step. Please subscribe to my channel, activate the notification to know when I publish the new video, or subscribe on the video, like, share this video with your friends and write a comment what you think about. First thing is, this video is not sponsored by company Corsair. I wish, but at the moment it's just product bought by me. This mouse is very modern, has a lot of buttons, a nice matte surface, a good wire, and is designed for gamers, but you can use for many other tasks. What is included in this box? In the box, or the mouse cam with the mouse, is a wire, warranty guide, and some manual instruction here in different languages. And last but not least is the key to adjust the mouse, the sidebar, the 12 buttons. I want to talk about mouse. What we have. This mouse is a wired mouse, which I prefer more wired mouse because the connection is 100%. Sometimes if it's wireless, can glitch, can have some conflict between other peripheral connections, something like that. My option was to buy a mouse, a good one, universal one, for many kinds of types of work. Sometimes if I need to play some games, I can definitely use. Has a USB, and this USB can be connected to your PC, can be used for USB 2.0 port. This mouse works with different operational systems. Started with Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 8, or Windows 7. And of course, the main engine or the juice in this mouse is when you use a connection to the internet to download the software ICUE, which is the Corsair software which allow you to manage, to program the buttons which you want. It has 17 buttons. As you can see here, we have 12 buttons on the side. Left click and right click, 2 buttons. Scroll up and down. The memory for your DPI and the memory in your system. If you want to program with your keyboard, you definitely can use it. You can switch your program, let's say for games or for work, you can definitely use it. The warranty for this mouse is 2 years. It's more than enough, in my opinion, to understand if the mouse works perfectly for you or not, or if sometimes in a case in a work time some dysfunction came up, you definitely can return to Corsair and they can fix it. This mouse work on optical laser. This means this mouse can work not just on pads, but on a flat surface, like here on this desk. Definitely you can use it without pad, because the sensitivity of the laser is so precise and work very well. By the way, this mouse has 4 zone RGB. One here, second here, the third is the scroll roll or button, and last but not least is this line here between the side panel. You can program these 4 zones differently with different types of colors or different styles. And more than that, this mouse has 3 memories which can be reset by pressing with the sharp needle this button. Holding couple seconds, you reset the mouse memory. We know, and I know, we want a mouse which can serve us for long time. And the test team show that this mouse can support the click buttons for 50 millions in left and right click. They tested and they already found that these buttons support 50 millions. You can play years and years for game if you need to click fast. The button which the company Corsair using this mouse is Omron. It's one of the last type of the buttons which Corsair used. And this mouse is stay tied in a palm, or the type of the grip is a palm. They build exactly, they test couple people with different size of the hand, but most of them is for the large hand. If you have a large hand, then this is your perfect mouse for you. As I mentioned at the beginning, once this mouse has 12 buttons on the side, this mouse is designed more for MMO games like World of Warcraft or League of Legends or PoE. This is not sponsored, this video is not sponsored by these games, but just I'm telling. You can use many spells, some shortcuts, and you can easy and fast can orientate yourself in a game, you know? Because look, just moving your thumb up and thumb down, you can definitely 12 spells use without jumping from W, S, E, D to 1, 2, 3 or others. I want to talk about the cable. Corsair made very well the cable management. As you can see here, you definitely can use it. You can manage the cable and you can put in your bag, you can travel, you can go in another building, or you can even store in a storage. The cable length is 1.8 meter, and the type of the cable is branded fiber, which give a very solid style for this mouse and cable, of course. It's a strong, you can carry 10 kilograms or can pull 10 kilograms. It's very strong cable, like they did with the Corsair K95 RGB game, like I showed you in a previous video. If you didn't saw, you can click here, you can watch the video about the keyboard Corsair. What they are doing well and very well is cable management. I don't have complaints about this, and even you can see how good they did these cables. Mentioning about playing the games like shooters, and this allow you to set up this mouse from 1 dot per inch to 18,000 dpi's, mean from slow movement to very high speed mouse. If you need to use in some shooter game, you definitely can use it. If you want to use in a sniper game, you can definitely use it. You can set up just clicking one button and setting 5 types of DPIs. Good job. If even this mouse is designed for the large hand, you can easily, with this Alien key, to adjust the 12 side buttons. Using this Allen key, which is made from metal, what you need to do just loose this screw here, and you can slide where you want to slide the side panel. Once you identify the spot where you want to keep the buttons, then definitely tight the screws. You don't need to go too tight because it's already good design, and you just tie a little bit and it's good. And it's voila, and it's done. The side is not moving. As you remember, and from title you can see, I identify some problems with this mouse, but I want to know if you have this kind of mouse and you had the same problem, then probably is a manufacturer defect and need to be fixed by the company Corsair. What I identify, scrolling create me a lot of pain in my brain, because when I try to use in Photoshop or even in a browser, I want to scroll up and down, or I need to zoom in, zoom out. Doing that, it's moving like back and forth, you know? It's something problem with the technology which they built this scrolling system inside. This was the video about this Corsair Scimitar RGB Elite. Having experience with this mouse, I definitely can mark this mouse 9 out of 10 EC review rating. Just this mouse lose a point for this scrolling system. If many of us has the same problem, then definitely this should be improved by company Corsair. And yeah, by the way, sometimes it's making a really weird noise, and this is very weird and annoying stuff in my point. Other than that, I'm happy with this product. That is the reason why I definitely create this video for you. If you plan to buy this product, or you already have problems with the mouse and you try to see in internet and find internet in Google or in YouTube, if many people have this kind of problem with the mouse. I have. Maybe it's a problem just with this mouse, but the other ones are good. Tell me please in a comment if you have this product or you have the same problem. I want to thank you if you watched this video, the entire video, because this is make me more happy, because I see people react to what I'm doing. If you are not subscribed to my channel, it's not hard for you and it's easy to click 3 buttons to subscribe to like to click the like button. Share this video with your friends, maybe some friends who want to buy or a game mouse. Share this video. Let them know about this mouse, and let's see. Maybe they plan to buy this mouse, but they don't like the scroll, or they have some questions. At the end, I will say, like usual, peace. I wish you health, you and your family, love, and see you soon with the next video on my channel. Bye for now.